Hi, I'm Franca. I'm living in Düsseldorf. I'm nearly 41 years old and I'm working as a model. Because I'm in this job and I'm working in front of the camera, I know my face. If there's a chance or a possibility to do something which looks natural, this is great. Why not? I wasn't disappointed when I stood in front of the mirror and I couldn't see a change. It's exactly the opposite. I was prepared that I don't see a big difference. I feel positive and comfortable about all this, and we will see what will happen next. I can say that I'm looking forward. I feel fine. I'm feeling really good. The treatment areas, they feel a bit sensitive to pressure. But after 1 week, everything is gone, you don't feel anything, so it's not a big deal, that's fine. I think I'm coming closer and closer and more to this result I would like to have. After the third injection, I definitely recognized that a lot more happened. So it was more visible than the time before. For me, it's obvious that these lines, especially these lines, are much softer than before. I look much more refreshed and much more relaxed, and this is very nice. My experience with the whole treatment, with the whole thing, is of course a good one. I'm still the same person. It's not that I look into the mirror and I see somebody else. So for me this would be a horrible thought. But to look more refreshed in a period of a few months, and that's why it looks so natural. I look a bit younger, I look more refreshed. Now I can see it. Well, when I look back after the 2 years, I have to say that I'm still satisfied and I'm still able to see a difference. You can still see the results. This is exactly what I wanted and what I like. When you think about how long it lasts, you have your time, you have 2 years. People and friends and other people, they still react in a way like, oh, you look so good, you look still refreshed and well. I'm still Franca, but with a more relaxed and more refreshed face, and I still see that. If somebody will come to me and will ask me, is it true that it lasts up to 2 years? I can really say yes. Look at me, my experience is so, even after 24 months after the first injection, there must be still something which is visible in my face. So I just look into the mirror, I see my face, and I'm happy.